guys from Madrid. So today I'm going to Alicante because they're Eastern. So I'm going for like 3 days. I'm gonna show you the city there, and I'm taking a train from Madrid. It's only 2.5 hours. They're not really cheap though, so sometimes it might be worth to check the flights as well, but this time no, the train was cheaper. Okay guys, so I got out of the train and now I'm walking to the center of the city because I took the train at 7 a.m. I did have some little snack in the morning, but I'm 100% sure I would starve until like 2 p.m. to 2:30, which is like a normal time the people in Spain eat lunch. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk in the center. I'm gonna meet my friend later. Also check his channel, 4K win. Plus he has another one. I will link it in below. And I'm gonna check the center. I'm gonna check some things to do here, and also I'm gonna find some place to have a breakfast, like real breakfast, have some coffee. So let's see what we find here in the center of Alicante. Alright, so I made it at the end of the boardwalk, and at least here they seem to have like some places where I can actually go and eat, because I was seriously considering going to Mac Cafe because everything was closed. And yeah, but I can already see the comment that I'm like American tourist who goes to McDonald's or Burger King when they travel. So no, I didn't want to. But seriously, it's 10 a.m. right now, and yep, majority things here are closed. But okay, I find some. Okay, so I found some nice place to have some breakfast. It's today. It's holidays here in Spain, but not everywhere. Because currently we're in Alicante, which is like Valencia region, and here they have holidays on Easter holiday on Friday and Monday. Here, the rest of the Spain has Thursday and Friday. But since I live in Madrid, I do have a holiday already. So I'm gonna have some nice breakfast right now, and then I'm gonna walk around the city. I will check the port. I will check like old city part, and there is really nice fortress. It's above here with a great view. So wait for that, and I'll see you later. And yeah, remember how I was talking about the fortress? That's the one up there. So after I finish down here, that's exactly where I plan to go, because you can see the view is amazing from there. Or will be, I assume. Lovely day, 6th of April, sunny, a lot of people here. There's a lot of tourists. You can distinguish tourists and locals from one thing. The tourists are usually from, like, at least I hear them a lot of English speaking, so they wear t-shirt like me, and the locals wear jackets because it's still kind of cold for them. But yeah, this is what you call summer in UK, so there's a lot of British here, obviously. But I show you the weather, how is it in my country right now. So as you can see, lovely view. We are in the main port. Yeah, there you have like also like a big cruise ship, but obviously there is also like small marina, and you can see the view. Tonight I'm not staying directly in Alicante. We're gonna be staying in San Juan. Also, because you can fly a drone there, so we're gonna have some drone shots there. Here is like impossible. It's banned to fly a drone. Unfortunately, even the small one I have, the under 250 category. But anyway, never mind. Really lovely to fly though. So it's kind of like, even though obviously here is a bit windy, but okay, you can cope with that. As you can see, there is the fortress. We're gonna go. It's gonna be quite a hike, but why not? You can manage. But I'm just first gonna walk around this pier a bit and enjoy it. As you can see in the distance and before, there are already some people enjoying jet skis. It's a bit cold for that, I have to say. But why not? So let's go and walk. Lovely medieval center. So many tourists, so much English. I'm so not used to that from Madrid. Okay, here we have Basilica of Santa Maria. Had to make a little boat tour. You can see those are like really just old buildings here. So it's pretty cute. Has like the nice old Spanish vibe. It's gonna be better probably from the upstairs. But look at that house. Look at how tiny it is in the house. It's like 1.5 meters, 2 meters long. It's so funny. Damn. Okay, what a lovely view. And it's gonna go even better. But well, getting closer, but not there. Okay, from here you can find the other side of the city. As you can see, this is probably where the most people live, not by the sea. Okay, let's go look at that view from up here. Finally getting when I want it. It was a bit of a hike. Oh, I can still see myself getting a beer there. First walk a little bit and then for sure I'm getting the beer. Wait, let's check the map. We are here, so that's one of the viewpoints I saw. This is where I want to get a beer. Well, let's first come here, take a look. Okay, let's check the governor house. Well, I do definitely like the terrace like that on my house. Definitely not the bad house. No, the hike here is definitely worth it. You can probably take a bus somewhere getting close, but doesn't matter. You can see the beautiful view of the Marina and the port. You can see the arena there for corrida. Still have to go. Okay, so here you have another view. If you decided to fly there, the airport is all the way up there. That's the airport. So it's more closer if you go like to Torrevieja and beaches like that. But Benidorm, which is really popular, is on the other side. To say a little bit about these things, it was built in like 12th, 13th century, but like the most of what we see today was built in the 16th century. And then it suffered, obviously it suffered some damage over the years, but it was repaired, and it saw the last military action in like late 19th century when some rebels from Cartagena tried to take over the city. It's definitely a thing to visit here if you're in Alicante, if you're having time. But I have to say, if you're gonna be here in summer, if you're gonna be here in July, it's gonna be like 32, 35 degrees. Go in the morning or go in the late afternoon or something, because I would advise the morning. It's gonna be better, because otherwise you're gonna be sweating like crazy. And there is very little shade here, so. Okay, remember that tiny house I showed you? So you can enjoy beer, and they also have some food from this restaurant, El Pont restaurant. Well, why not? And it's such a cute house. It's so narrow. It's so narrow. I swear to God, it's like 2 meters wide. At least on the upstairs, probably like here at the base, it's a little bit bigger. But oh my God, it's so. And the beer is the big one is 3.5, which is good actually. In Madrid, I pay everywhere at least 4. The 4 is the minimum. I pay 4.5 or 5, so definitely cool. restaurants here. Now it looks like the city is alive. Yeah, and when I came here at 10, like 9:30, 10, it was so dead. But yeah, today is not a holiday here, so they work, so yeah. Okay, so I still have a little bit of time before my friend shows up, before I go to lunch, so let's make a little bit of boardwalk. As you can see, there are a lot of people on the beach. I know, okay, for me it's maybe a bit cold to be on the beach. I would definitely not go to the water. I can see some kids in the water. Okay, maybe, sure, I guess so. But yeah, even me as a kid, I would not make that. I would definitely not go to the water right now. It's like 15, 16 degrees. For sure not. But yeah, I was a kid, so I guess so. So yeah, I'm waiting on a friend because he's driving on a bike from Madrid. And yeah, like I said, check his channel. He has 2 channels. One is 4K Win and second is Visite. Check both of those. The second one is only in Portuguese, so if you're a Portuguese or Brazilian, he is Brazilian, check it out. And otherwise the 4K Win is in English, so don't worry about that. He has the 2 channels. Definitely check it, that link below. And let's look at the beach right now. It's pretty, like, for the city beach is not bad. Like, I definitely wouldn't come here to take a vacation, but as long as you live here or you're here just in the city, why not? It doesn't look bad. Well, even for the vacation might be okay, but I don't know how the hotels are. There are like few hotels over there. Yeah, Melia Hotel and a few more. So it's another one there. As you can see, there are waves here. Like I know it's April, but I remember when I was in Lasagna a couple of years ago, which is like 20 kilometers like that way. I was there like in last week of June, and there were always like big waves. But if you like surfing, you can also surf here, which is awesome. Like, you're not gonna find such a big waves like you're gonna find in Portugal, because that's okay, they have ocean, but still it's gonna be pretty good. So for surfing, great. Also like windsurfing, kite surfing, really good. As you can see, it's really windy here, so that's perfect. At least there. Here it's not so windy, so you can still hear me, so that's good. But well, wouldn't be bad to live here, I guess. Well, the place Mediterranean is not exactly cheap. I would say a bit overpriced, but to be honest, I was expecting worse, so it doesn't look so bad. It's like 5 euros for my whole big one. It's kind of a shit beer, but whatever. But the view is nice. We are on a beach, so why not? Still waiting for a friend. Takes forever to show up. He said he's gonna be 1 year. Yep. It's almost 4 p.m. right now. Hey, what's up? So it's an afternoon right now in Alicante. You can see the weather is still good. It's a little bit chill right now, so I put my jacket, but it's still like 18-19 degrees, so still pretty awesome. And we're gonna go to enjoy with my friend. We're gonna enjoy like more of the beach. You can see here's my friend. Check his channel. It's 4K Win and Vinny Salvi. He has 2 channels, so definitely check them out. Description is down below. All right, and I'll see you later. So we make it. So I found out this is like a burger festival here. It's gonna come next week. It's gonna come to Madrid. It's gonna show up which is the best burger in Spain. So it's actually go from here, and each place they're competing. So which place is gonna have the best burger in Spain? There's gonna come from each place. From each place, they're gonna come to the best one, and they go to the final. Next week is in Madrid. Okay, I can tell you, I'm gonna show up. We're gonna show up. Alright, so I'm gonna try this burger. It's from the Williamsburg Pier and Burger. And hey, they took a name from the Brooklyn, so they should. Okay, so I tried this burger. It's definitely really good burger. The meat, everything. It's really great burger. Cheers. Cheers. Okay guys, so hello from San Juan. So I will end my today's vlog from Alicante here, and tomorrow I'm gonna show you this entire place, San Juan, Benidorm, and one more place. So check that out, and if you like this video, please give it thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my future videos. And definitely I'll see you tomorrow.